guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I am Kourtnee. If you guys are new here, I'm going to be putting tooth gems on myself today. I know I've done videos of me applying tooth gems to other people, but today I thought that I could just do it on myself because I know a lot of you guys do them on yourselves. My tooth gem videos do really well. All of you guys always have questions. I want to answer some questions and go through this process with you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Before we get close and personal, I'm going to show you guys the materials that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using the same stuff that I used in my last video. It will be linked in my bio. It's in my Amazon shop. Sometimes it goes away. I don't know what be going on with that company, but the product is really good. I like the product. I use the product. If it goes away, just let me know. I know a lot of you guys do tell me when you can't find it. Usually when you guys tell me that, I can find it again. I have emailed the company and asked them why it keeps going away. They said it was something, I don't know, but it's the product, the Karen Light. And then this is the kit that I'm going to be using. This is the kit that I used in my last video. It comes with everything that you need. So this kit comes with your etch, comes with your bond, and then your composite, and then it comes with some brushes for the bond, and then it comes with a little spatula. So you'll also need some tweezers. Sorry if I'm really close, but you're gonna need some tweezers. If you have cotton rows, grab some cotton rows. You're gonna need your tooth gems, and if you guys didn't know, I now have a tooth gem business. I sell tooth gems. The link will be in the bio. I sell them on Etsy. A little bit of advertisement. I'm going to show you guys some of the gems that I have really quick. So these are very popular. You guys sold these out the first time I got them. These are, please don't mind my nails, but these are the heart shaped tooth gems in clear. That's what that looks like. I also have some of the clear crystals. These are in 1.2 millimeters. I do have some of the 2.3 millimeters. You can see the size difference, but these are on the site. I need to restock those. Like the smaller ones, these are in clear. These are some like cool shaped ones. I can't remember the name of them, but they're in like a AB opal color. And these you can use these to make those like butterfly tooth gems. You would buy 2 of these and then 2 of the crystals that match these are in AB. Let me show you the difference. These are clear and these are a little like rainbow color-ish. You can buy 2 of these and 2 of those and make that butterfly that you guys see a lot. These are some more hearts. They're in the AB color and that little rainbow iridescent color. These are new. I just got those. These are some more crystals in 2.3 millimeters. These are in gold. These are new. I just got those. I have some more crystals. All of these are 100% Swarovski crystals. I don't play. These are in pink. I think I told you guys before, like I only recommend Swarovski crystals. I think in like my first video I was using Amazon, but yeah, I wanted 100% Swarovski crystals for you guys, and I wanted to sell them so it'd be easier for you guys to find them. That's all the styles that I have so far. If you guys are wanting like the gold tooth gems, I have those, but they are pre-ordered. If you're interested in getting gold tooth gems, I have all styles. You can just DM me on Instagram. I'll have my Instagram down below, my tooth gem Instagrams. Please go follow it and support. I have this little packet here of the tooth gems that I use to take pictures in. I'm gonna use those to demonstrate in this video. Now I'm gonna get up close and more personal so we can get started. Okay, so we're really close. You guys can see, I'm pretty sure you can. First things first, if you guys have watched any of my videos, you would know. First step would be to apply the edge. This is the edge, this is the blue gel. You guys want to be very, 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 very careful with this. It can burn clients. It'll give them like a little peroxide burn. Make sure you're being very careful with the edge. Make sure you are applying it with a cotton roll. I'm not gonna use one because I'm a professional, but but yeah. And then you are gonna want to get some water with your cotton roll and wipe it off if you're not in a dental office. I'm just gonna use like a paper towel or something. You do want to make sure whatever you're using to take it off, that it's wet. So I'm gonna put the hard one on first. So I'm gonna grab that, get it ready. Make sure you guys go and shop my C-store. I'm so excited. I started this business in January and I sold out my first stock, so I just restocked yesterday. Everything on the site is new. Thank you guys who have ordered for me. So let's see, where do we want to put it? I need to clean it real bad, so don't mind me. Let's put it on this tooth here. I'm gonna be looking down so I can see in my mirror. You only need a little dot of this. You guys can see. But I'm just gonna put it exactly where I'm gonna put my tooth gel. You don't need it all over the tube. You just need it in the exact spot. So just like that. And you only want it to sit for about 10 seconds. Make sure that this does not touch your client's lip because it will burn. My wet paper towel, and I'm just gonna wipe it off. And this does have a really gross sour taste, so yeah. Now that we wiped it off, I want to make sure that the area is super, super dry. Usually, if I'm in the office, I would be able to blow air. Do you guys see how it made it like ashy? That's exactly what you want to see. So just like that, you want to make sure you keep it dry. Next, we're gonna go in with the bond. Like I said, this kit comes with brushes for the bond. So you're gonna grab a brush. This is what it looks like. You're gonna dab it. You only need a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just a tiny, tiny bit. As I'm talking, I want to make sure this is dry. This has to stay dry or your gem is not gonna stick. So you're gonna make sure you see that ashy before you put the bond on. So as you can see, it's ashy. So this bond is gonna take the ash away. So now that we applied our bond, still want to make sure that you do not get this wet with your saliva. Now you're gonna take your light and we're gonna cure for 15 seconds. Do not look at the light, guys. It will ruin your eyes in the long run, especially if you're doing this on clients. Okay, so this one has a timer on it. I don't know if you can see, and it had it on there for 15 seconds. So for the purpose of this video, obviously I have to talk and I can't keep this dry, so I'm not gonna have this tooth gem on forever anyways, but for your clients or yourself, make sure you keep this dry. You do not want your saliva touching where you are putting the product, okay? Now that we have put the bond on, we are gonna take our composite and we're gonna take our spatula and our tooth gem. You only need, so this squeezes up, like push it up and it comes out. I'm just gonna take a little bit, like I'm gonna scrape it off. I don't know if you guys can even see that. You can see it a little bit, but I'm only gonna take that much because I don't want it to ooze on the sides. It's okay if there's a little bit, but when you take pictures and stuff, you'll be able to see it. I have my tooth gem here. I'm going to apply that little dot onto the back. Just like that. You guys aren't gonna be able to see that, but it's probably best if you guys use some tweezers to put it on, but I'm gonna take some more of this composite and use it as a little placer so that my tooth gem can stick and I can just push it on. So that's what it looks like. There's composite on the back of that. You can't see it though. So now take my mirror and I am going to just place it where we put the materials. And then I'm going to move it and push it on. Some of that composite is on the front of it, but we can wipe that off. So I'm gonna push it down, make sure it's flat. And I think that's where I want it. You wanna make sure that it's exactly where you want it before we put the light to it. So I think that's good. So now I'm gonna cure it for 15 seconds. Do not look at the light. That's our tooth gem. Look how cute. It's so cute. Let me get closer for you guys. Make sure you guys shop my Swarovski crystals. I'm gonna etch on again. A little that because this next gem is way smaller. I'll wipe it off. Make sure it's ashy, just like that. And we're gonna take our bond, add it on, take our light. Process is so fast, it should not take you that long. Now I'm going to take my composite. I only need like the tiniest bit, just like that. Take my tooth gem. I get there. Place it where I want it, just like that. This one is pink. And then, I don't know if you guys can see, but it oozed out. So I'm gonna take the back of this and just scrape it off. Just like that. So I'm just gonna make sure I like the placement. And I do. So now I'm gonna cure it. As you guys can see, that only took me maybe a minute. That's it. There you have it. Look how cute my gems are. I have a pink one because pink is my favorite color. And I have a heart. Can you guys see? Okay. So yeah, you guys, make sure you guys shop. I feel like I'm trying to smile now, but make sure you guys shop my Etsy shop. It is actually called Glamorous Grills. So make sure you shop Glamorous Grills. Link will be in the bio. When you put these on, it is like something to get used to because your lip is rubbing against it. But look how cute. I think it's just like such a cute accessory. You really can't tell that it's on there unless you're smiling. If you guys have any questions, you can leave them down below or you can DM me on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys try out these tooth gems. And I hope you guys shop my Etsy shop. And I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, thank you guys for getting me to 4,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. Next, we're on the road to 5K. So thank you guys again. I am going to end the video now. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.